How to become successful at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online and can be a lucrative business if done right. Whether you want to monetize your existing blog or website or start a side hustle from scratch, it can be one of the most rewarding ways to make money. But like all things, success takes hard work and dedication. Here are some tips for becoming a successful affiliate marketer. 1. Research the products you want to promote. Before you dive headfirst into anything, make sure you do your research on the products and services you're thinking of promoting. Check out reviews, look at the features and benefits of the products in detail, and then determine whether you think it's a good fit for your audience. 2. Find the right affiliate partners. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some may offer larger commissions and better terms, while others may offer more products or services. Take the time to research programs and find one that works best for you. 3. Build your platform. If you're starting out with a blog or website, focus on building your audience. Use popular social media channels and create useful content that's geared towards your target audience. 4. Stay current. Customers and their needs change all the time, so keep up with trends in the industry and keep your content fresh and relevant. 5. Track your results. Know how much traffic is coming to your site, how many sales are made per day, and which products are the most popular. Doing this will allow you to replicate successful campaigns and cut down on the ones that aren't performing as well. Following these tips will help you get started on the path to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. It takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards can be huge if done right. So go forth and get creative. Good luck.